Hello everybody, we're going to be wrapping up this series today on walking with God, and I guess the first thing I want to ask is, do you ever feel like you're just checking off your God checklist? In other words, did I read my Bible today? Did I say a prayer? Did I wait long enough to hear from Him? That's not what He wanted. It's not a checklist. That's not what this is about. Over the series, we've covered different things, like the fact in the beginning that all God ever wanted was a relationship, and you can see that throughout the Bible from the very beginning to the very end. We talked about one of the ways to get there is to spend time in the Word. If you want to build a relationship with somebody, you got to spend time with them, and spending time in His Word is a good way to do that. We've talked about trying to stay connected throughout the day by using simple prayers. Honest prayers. Thank you, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Just as a reminder to keep us focused on that. We talked about practicing God's presence, living with the awareness that He's here with us right now. This walk is not a formula. All that being said, it does not mean a checklist or a formula that you follow. It's a lifestyle. You don't have to get it perfect. But you do need to start connecting every day and trying to get better at connecting throughout the day. And just tell Him, God, I want to be close to You today and every day. This is what I want. This is how we walk with God. Not by following rules, but by building relationships step by step, day by day. So here's the invitation. What can you do today to get one step closer to a relationship with God? Let's just not talk about walking with God. Let's actually do it. Give me your comments. Like, subscribe, and share if you think this might help somebody. I'm anxious to hear from you, and I'm hoping this blesses somebody out there. Have blessings, everyone. Have a wonderful